Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For you guys that are new here, hi, my name is Erika and I do videos on vlogs, hauls, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And today we are gonna do some Christmas drinks. So I'm gonna be making 2 Christmas drinks today, and they are called the Grinch Drink, the Grinch Drink. And I'm also gonna be doing a Frosty Jack freeze drink. I tried making them with my best friend and they came out so fire, so I definitely wanted to do it for my YouTube channel. And I feel like the holidays is literally right around the corner, this week actually. You guys definitely have to try these drinks out. If you're trying to get lit for Christmas and drink a good drink, I got you. So these are the ingredients we are going to be using today. We got some pineapple juice, some blue Carisco. I don't know how to say this. We got some Bacardi. It's a rum and it's the pineapple flavor. And we got this like sour apple puncher. And for the rim, I have this red one for the Grinch drink. And I got some cherries. And I got coconut cream. So all of these items I got at Total Wine. There you go. I got this at Target. And I got the cherries at the grocery store, and I got this coconut cream at the grocery store as well. And we're gonna need a shot or like a glass shot to pour the alcohol in, because I don't know how to measure very well, and you don't really have to, you know, but like I'm just doing it for the purpose of this video. And this is from Disneyland I got. It's just like the little penguins. You can see right there. Super cute. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first drink I'm going to start off with is the blue Frosty Jack. What is it called? I think it's called the blue Frosty drink or the blue Jack Frosty drink, whatever. We're gonna do that. It's just like a beautiful like blue color, and the rim is just like, originally the rim should be coconut, but I don't like coconut flakes, so I just do sugar and it's fine. If you do like coconut flakes, then it would look so much better, but I mean it still looks really nice with the sugar. So the first thing we're gonna do is fill up the blender with like ice, at least half of the blender, maybe a little bit more than half. I filled it up. It's like pretty much like halfway, maybe a little bit more. So I only do that to make it more like of a slushy version. Now we're gonna add some of this blue Carisco, or I'm probably not even pronouncing this right. You guys can make fun of me later. But less than half of the ice with blue, if that makes sense. So now you can see that I'm eyeballing it, and I don't want to pour too much. I'm just doing little by little, like a little bit. Okay, way less than half actually. I think this should be fine. So you see that it's like a little bit less than half of this ice. You know, don't put too much. I would say maybe like half a cup would be good. Now that that's done, let's do the next step, which is pineapple. So we are going to use this pineapple juice. Yes, it was very hard to open and it's pretty messy, so be careful. I'd say like a cup and a half of the pineapple juice. But I'm going to eyeball it because I like eyeballing it. Maybe like a cup actually. Oh my gosh. Excuse me while I clean this mess. Guys, just do a half a cup of the pineapple juice if you guys like to measure, but if not, kind of just do the same amount as the blue. Make sure that the liquid is not filled all the way to the top of the ice, because that ice is supposed to make it like slushy, and the more liquid you add, it won't be slushy anymore. So the next thing we're gonna use is this coconut cream I got at the grocery store, so you can find it at your local grocery store. I'm gonna open it, just shake it well, and then you're just gonna put a little bit in here just to give it like a coconut flavor. 1, 2, 3, that should be fine. The last step we're gonna do for this drink is, where am I going? The last step I'm going to put in this drink is 2 shots of Bacardi, the pineapple flavor. I like my drinks pineapple flavor. If you don't like pineapple flavor, there's so many other flavors you can get, but I personally just like pineapple, so we are going with this today. Okay, so let's put 2 shots, maybe 2 shots and a half, just to get a little bit more lit. Okay, so here's a shot. Let's put it in the drink. You see, like it's already starting to fill up to the ice, which that's where I messed up on. So don't do that. To be a little bit lower than the ice. Oh my god. Right here that I kind of filled it up to the top. This is kind of how it's supposed to look like, maybe with a little bit more ice, but oh well, this will be fine. And you guys are gonna see how beautiful it comes out. So let's blend it. So now I'm just gonna use a plate and put the coconut cream that we used for the drink. And just put that everywhere. Make it a mess. And then we're gonna just put some white sugar. I have my sugar in here, so we're just gonna put some on the plate. Just to make it nice. Make it kind of look like snow. So get your cup and you're just gonna twist it until it looks kind of like snow. The more the better, don't be shy. So this is how it's gonna turn out. You see, super pretty. I'm telling you guys, this is such an easy drink to do, and you're gonna impress your family with this drink, and whoever you wanna impress, you're gonna impress them. Now let's pour the alcohol in here. So this is how it should look like, and let's add the final thing, which is cherries. Guys, so this is your Frosty drink. I think it looks so beautiful. Honestly, the hardest part is putting this cherry in there because you gotta make sure it has like a little like line where it could be on the rim because it could make a mess. But look how cute it looks. So cute, guys. It's like perfect for Christmas. It's just like definitely a Frosty drink, like looks exactly like it. And I think the rim looks exactly like snow, which I love. Cheers, guys. Okay guys, so now we're gonna make the Grinch drink. This is honestly my favorite drink personally. Not saying that the blue one isn't good because that one tastes so good as well, but the Grinch just looks more cooler and it's just more like Christmas themed, so that's why I like it. And it's also pretty easy. I am gonna use this cup. You could use any cup you want, but I just want you guys to see like how it looks in different cups, I guess, so you guys can choose which cups you want to make those drinks. So we're gonna use this one. So again, we're gonna fill this up with ice, around a little bit more than half. So let's do that right now. So we got our ice here. I think it's like halfway. I'm the only one that's gonna be drinking, and my brother when he comes home from work. I'm gonna save him some. So I mean, you know, the more people you have, the more ice you should put. So the first step we're gonna do is, so we're gonna use this sour apple liquor. Well, I don't know if it has liquor. I think it does. But we're gonna use this to make the drink greens for Grinch. So I would recommend, I guess it depends how many people you are going to have. If you want to make like for 3 or 5, I would say maybe put a little bit more. But since it's just gonna be for 2 people, I'll do maybe just half a cup of this. Don't fill it up all the way to the top of the ice like I mentioned, because then it won't become like that slushy version. So yeah, let's do that. So the next thing I'm gonna put is this pineapple because I just like pineapple flavor. If you guys have like a different flavor you guys like, I'm sure you can put it. Again, like we just, pretty much the Grinch drink has to just be green because it's the Grinch. But you could add like different juices, I guess, if you would like. But I personally like pineapples, so yeah. Use the Bacardi drink. So we're gonna probably put 2 shots, you know, just to get it started. If you guys want to get more turn, put as many shots as you want, but I'm just gonna put 2. Again, so it should look like this, maybe with a little bit more ice. I kind of messed up on the measurements, but it's all good. We're just trying to get lit, guys, so don't have to be perfect. So I'm gonna use for the rim the coconut cream, and I'm going to use this red sugar that I got from Target just to decorate my glass. Get around. Don't be shy. So this is how it's gonna look like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And let me get strawberries. And there you have it, your Grinch drink. Let me show the strawberry. I think it came out so good. So let's drink it and do a taste test. Very good. I definitely feel the shot. I feel like this drink is so good. If you like sour apple, you'll definitely like this drink. Cheers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now I will go and drink these drinks and get lit by myself. I definitely will probably try to make these for Christmas or something. Please let me know if you guys have tried these drinks or have a different version. Let me know down in the comments. I really loved how these drinks came out, and it was super easy. All you need is a couple ingredients and you'll be good. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. One second. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I know I've been lacking on it, and you guys, I'll save that for another video, but yes, subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.